Hello friends, today's our topic is how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos to get more views. At first open a browser, any you have. Then search for Canva. Link in description. Then open canva.com. Click on sign up and sign up with any option. Now search for YouTube thumbnail. Select a template, which is free. Write the subject, what you want. Also, you can change color, style, size of the text. You can upload any photo, like your channel logo. Under the upload option, click on upload media and open your photo. You can add any element. To add elements, click on Element tab and drag and drop an element on your template. Click on Upload tab, select your photo and drag and drop on your element. Also, you can add text, photo, background, etc. If you want to know how to create YouTube channel, click on I button. After editing, to download your thumbnail, click on Download. To get high quality image, select PNG option and click on Download. Finally, your thumbnail is ready to increase viewer of your video. To get more videos, subscribe my channel.